I chop the onions on a cutting board. I chop the onions on a cutting board. I fry the onions until they are golden. I fry the onions until they are golden. I put the food on a plate. I put the food on a plate.
I enjoy every bite of my food. I enjoy every bite of my food. I throw away the old food. I throw away the old food. I clean the kitchen after cooking. I clean the kitchen after cooking. I wipe the counter with a cloth. I wipe the counter with a cloth.
I eat with a fork and knife. I eat with a fork and knife.
I sweep the kitchen floor. I sweep the kitchen floor. I keep my fridge organized. I keep my fridge organized. I put the clean dishes in the cupboard. I put the clean dishes in the cupboard. I pour juice into glasses. I pour juice into glasses. I wash the pots and pans. I wash the pots and pans. I peel the potatoes with a knife. I peel the potatoes with a knife. I smell the food while it cooks. I smell the food while it cooks.
I set the table for my family. I set the table for my family. I love cooking for my family. I love cooking for my family. I stir the soup with a spoon. I stir the soup with a spoon.
I put oil in the pan. I put oil in the pan. I bake bread in the oven. I bake bread in the oven.
I wash the vegetables in the sink. I wash the vegetables in the sink.
I try new recipes every week. I try new recipes every week. I add salt and pepper to the food.
Yeah.
I add salt and pepper to the food.
I take out the vegetables. I take out the vegetables.
I open the fridge to check the food. I open the fridge to check the food. I cook meals every day. I cook meals every day. I spend a lot of time in the kitchen. I turn on the stove. I turn on the stove. I boil water for pasta. I boil water for pasta.
I taste the food before I serve it. I taste the food before I serve it.
I eat with a fork and knife. I eat with a fork and knife.